What is something you would never tell anyone for the rest of your life? 1. When my brother was courting his now wife, he wanted to give her a handmade scarf. Seeing that others were giving hand-knit scarves, he tried knitting one himself but failed miserably. So, he bought one online and asked the seller to make it look a bit flawed. When his girlfriend received the scarf, she was moved to tears, thinking it was a genuine gesture of love. Now, whenever they argue, she puts on the scarf and sits quietly, and my brother always gives in, thinking the scarf might give away its secret. 2. 2 years ago, while studying at home for graduate school exams, I had a moment of frustration. Out of nowhere, I grabbed my dad's cigarettes and smoked a few puffs in the bathroom. I'm a girl, a straight-A student, very introverted, and had never even dated before graduating from college. The cigarette smoke was harsh, so I threw it in the trash. 2 hours later, when I came out, I found the bathroom filled with thick